important special match or not?
Yeah, I think everybody know about the match when Persija play against Persib Bandung. I think it's the biggest derby here in this country. Always a lot of emotions also before the game. We could see this also today in Bandung, a lot of supporter, or yesterday, no, I think in the morning, and today also here in our training pitch. So for everybody it's a very important game, and so we hope that we can make satisfied our supporter. This is very important, and ourselves also.
Oke, semua tahu lawan Persib itu adalah pertandingan yang paling besar di Liga Indonesia karena pasti melibatkan banyak emosi, dan Mas juga lihat bahwa Persib juga didukung oleh pendukungnya pas lagi latihan di pagi hari ini. Jadi kita juga di sore ini kita juga kedatangan pendukung kita untuk mendukung kita saat latihan, dan Mas berharap kita bisa memuaskan para supporter khususnya untuk Jakmania dan juga memuaskan untuk diri kita sendiri.
Coach, Persib terkena hukuman 1 laga tanpa penonton tapi lagi banding. Kalau Mas itu lebih baik pada penonton apa itu?
So now there's a possibility we play without the fans because satu laga sebelum because one match before there's a riot between Persib fans and fans. Yes. So possibility there's no fans for
This.
Okay. But hopefully not, because football is emotion and with supporter. I mean, our fans cannot go to Bandung, and so hopefully somebody is sitting in the stadium, because it's not nice when you play the most important derby in Indonesia without fans. Yeah, this is, I think, is not good for both teams, and hopefully the supporter, they can come also, because of course everybody will be against us, but it's also a motivation for our guys, and the atmosphere is completely different. I mean, we play 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Hopefully the sun is not coming so much out, because it's not easy to play football when there are almost 40 degrees on the pitch. So this kind of games in Europe, normally you play in the evening, lights on, in a nice stadium, and I know maybe it's too much risk. The police maybe decide this also, and of course we have to follow the rules, and doesn't matter. So everybody is looking for this game, and I hope we are ready now after last game. Also, self-confidence is back, and we will see.
Oke, jadi Mas bilang semoga ada penonton, karena yang kita tahu juga kan Jakmania nggak bisa datang ke Bandung, jadi lebih baik ada daripada nggak ada sama sekali, karena sebenarnya nggak ada fans datang ke stadion itu nggak bagus untuk kedua tim. Tentu aja dengan adanya penonton di Bandung, pasti semua akan mendorong kita, akan melawan kita lah gitu. Tapi sebenarnya itu bisa jadi motivasi buat kita juga untuk bertanding, dan tentunya pasti jam 3 itu suasana pasti panas dan nggak gampang lah untuk para pemain untuk bertanding di jam 3. Memang biasa di Eropa kita biasanya untuk pertandingan sebesar ini kita mainnya malam, tapi pasti ada pertimbangan lain karena mungkin ada resiko yang ada, dan mungkin polisi akhirnya memutuskan untuk main di sore hari. Jadi kita ikut aja apa yang harus dilakukan, dan Coach Mas bilang semoga kita mendapatkan yang baik setelah kita di laga sebelumnya mendapatkan motivasi dan kepercayaan diri lebih setelah menang Dewa United.
Untuk menjaga konsistensi dari Persija, apa sih, kan kita tahu ya Persija kadang-kadang habis kalah menang, tapi habis itu kalah lagi. Kira-kira menjaga hal ini tetap on the track, Coach Thomas akan berapa? Apalagi kan lawannya cukup berat ya, Persib Bandung gitu, kayak gitu.
More important is that we don't make easy and individual mistakes like in the last game. The games before was too much. we were not the worst team on the pitch, but we make too many mistakes, and it's always important that that the guys are concentrated and don't lose easy balls, because we know also how they play in counter-attack a lot of times. And no, we need a good plan also for Saturday, and keep the good spirit what we brought now back from Bali. I mean, we have to play our home games in Bali. It's also not correct. And so we have to think about our things, and in this game is 3 points. We can take 3 points, not more. But it's a very important game for our supporter also, for everybody who is loving Besiktas, and we have to find a good way that we are not over motivated, and to be ready also. Stadium is full, everybody is against us. They will be whistle, they will shouting, and we need personality on the pitch when we want to win that.